Love carry my I'm trapped. Love carry my My heart is longing for you. Hear me out. My heart is longing for you. Hear me out.
Shut up! Stop what? How dare you? How dare you talk to me like that? Since when did you start talking to me right in front of my friends? Ndidi? When did that start? Ndidi? No, you're not. You must learn how to respect me in front of when I'm talking to them.
You are talking me. You're talking me.
Stop talking to me. Nonsense. Don't you ever dare. Will you get up from there? Ndidi. I said get up. Get up. Ndidi. Ndidi. Stop fooling around. Get up! I swear I will beat you right here. Get up! Get! Ndidi. Jesus Christ. Hey!
What is it? Where is she?
I left her here. She died right here.
I don't understand. How did you know she died?
I checked her pulse. She was not breathing. I panicked and I ran off. I left her right here.
To be seen. How did she die?
She was... It was an accident. It was an accident. It was just an accident.
What type of stupid accident?
Guys, hold on. If actually she is dead and she's not here, that means what? What is it? What is it? What is it? Where's Doso? Where's Doso?
I think she has gotten to him. I'm not with my phone. Call him now. You're with your phone.
Call him. Oh, I thought he was right behind us.
Now?
Why did he run?
I don't know.
Oh.
Why were they running?
They think you're dead.
And why didn't you?
Let's say I'm not a fan of primitive terror or apparition. What happened?
pick your call. They'll be dead worried that I've killed you.
He hit you again.
Call him. Is it ringing? Talk now!
He's not picking. Hey! She has killed Nonso. Nonso is dead.
What?
He's dead!
Listen, Nonso is our friend.
Hey! Yes.
We are all brothers. We swore to protect one another. Huh?
Yes.
We will go back and fight and save our friend.
Yes.
If we die, let us die together. We must fight and save our brother. How can the three of us be running away from a ghost?
For what?
Huh?
For what?
We must fight.
Yes.
This is a battle between the physical and the spiritual. And the physical must win.
Yes.
One for all.
All for one.
All for one.
One for all.
All for one.
All for one.
Let's go. Let's go and fight. Let's go and save our brother. If we die, we all die. We are men. We are not boys. Let's go. Okay. Let's go and fight this spirit now.
Okay. Oh God. You know I love Nneka. How can I just die like that? I've not slept with Nneka.
Oh, Komoro, let us go.
Let's go. Come on, let's go and fight. We have our brother in trouble. We must fight. This is not the time to be crying. It's a time to fight.
I'm not crying.
But let's move. Let's go.
Nneka.
Why are you protecting him? Why are you doing this to yourself? Why?
Please, you should go. If he comes back and sees us like this, then I'm in trouble again.
You are still worried about a man who tried to kill you. A man who just took off because he thinks you are dead. You're still worried about him.
Please go. Please.
You are not married to him yet. You should know when to quit.
She's alive now. She's alive. See, let me tell you, I think she has possessed him. Yes, now, just like that foreign movie we watched some time ago.
Nonsense.
Let me tell you, he's now a zombie. Zombie? Yes, a zombie.
Then let her and him kill all of us. Remember what you said. One for all.
All for one.
One for all.
All for one.
We die
Today.
We die
Today. Ike ba Ike. Ike ba Ike. Ike ba Ike. Ike ba Ike. Ike ba Ike.
Ike ba Ike.
Mama.
Ike ba Ike.
Mama.
Ike ba Ike. He's not a ghost.
Are you guys done? Are you done? I'm going home. Cowards.
that guy.
Let's not die. Let's not die. Let me alone. She did not do.
Who was the guy?
You want to kill my boyfriend for me?
Are you mad?
Stop, don't kill my boyfriend for me. Baby.
When he gets consciousness, tell him that nobody hits a woman. No man has the right to hit a woman. You are hitting a girl. Stand up now, hit me. Stand up. Stand up and hit your fellow man. Idiot.
Obi, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't know what came over me again. I swear. But I'm changed now. The thought of you dying changed everything. I swear, I'm so sorry. I swear I would never lay my hands on you again. I would never try it. Please forgive me. Please. I'm sorry.
That is what you always say. But you still hit me.
No, this one is different. This one is different. I'm changed now. Okay? I swear with anything. I am changed. I'm not a born again. Okay? I'm a born again. I'm a changed man. You will see. I love you so much. I love you so much. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I swear I will never lay my hands on you. It will never happen again.
I don't know how to lie to you, 'cause you nearly took my life. You nearly took my life.
What happened? The blood stain. Where did you get it from?
He was hitting the girlfriend. He's actually hitting his girlfriend. What manner of a man hits a woman?
Who is hitting who?
What manner of a man hits a woman?
Why, oh why do you keep doing this to me?
Do you remember this place?
Yes, I do.
How many marks can you see?
Where?
Look well.
I can see some lines that tally.
How many can you count?
It's about 30.
That is how many times you have actually hit me. Anytime you hit me, I come here and I mark it. Today, I'm going to clean them. I have decided to give you a new beginning. Don't disappoint me.
Thank you. Thank you.
I
Thank you.
don't know how to
I'm so sorry.
lie
Thank you so much.
to you, 'cause you nearly took my life. You nearly took my life. I don't know how to lie.
This one, both of you are looking at me like this. What have I done this time?
Chimeze, whose pant is this?
Pantikwa.
Drama. Chimeze, I said, whose pant is this?
Mama, do I wear pants? Do I wear pants? You're looking at Mirabelle here. This girl that is supposed to be wearing.
Which Mirabelle? Which pants? It's not my pants. It obviously belongs to one of your victims.
Yes, victims walk it here. Victims walk it here. You're
I'm not done. What is this condom doing in my house?
Yes. Condom what?
Coco. What is it doing in my house?
Mama, I don't know what this thing is, so I see I've not even used it before. If you open it now, I don't even know what is inside. You're just mentioning the name now to my yard. Mama, see, I am very, very sure that this thing belongs to this here. That is what our boyfriends are using to sleep with her. Think I don't know.
I actually bought it for him. I heard he doesn't use protection when sleeping with girls.
Hey!
So I bought it for him.
Hey, Chineke, you bought it for me. You bought.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not ashamed of yourself? All these village girls that you're sleeping with. You're sleeping with them without protection.
No,
this is everywhere.
I want to pay you. Hey! Lie down.
Lie down, both of you!
No, sorry.
What is wrong with you? What has come over you? Since your father died, both of you have become something I cannot even remember. He was a disciplinarian, and he trained you with the fear of God. Now you are looking at me as a weak mother. I will show both of you that I am not a weak mother. Never! From now on, I will not condone all this rubbish from you. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Have I made myself clear?
Yes, ma.
Dara.
Baby, how many kids do you want me to bear for you?
I'll manage 40. What? What? 40 what? Kids? You already know now. My father married 2 wives. And they both had like 27 kids. My mom alone had 17. I just said 14 now. It's fine.
I will bear 2 and you will bear 12. I heard men get pregnant now.
Where did you get that from?
I read it online.
Online? You. Okay, lie down. Babe. Oh, hey. Babe. Our love is growing stronger every day. Yeah. What would you like? If you in my life. Stop now. Come here now. Babe, calm down. You know I don't like kissing. Makes me want to throw up.
You're such a bushman.
Me. I'm bushman, that's why you love me, and that's why I love you. Oh, come here.
phone is ringing. Pick up your phone.
Oh, good morning, Father. Yes, I am fine. What of you? Good to hear. We're all fine. Please, Father, is there a problem? Oh, that is not a problem. I'll be there. Yes. Okay. Have a nice day, Bye. Oh.
Who was that?
New parish priest. We go to the level of the person that's supposed to have the church to do.
The new parish priest. What? I don't get it. Is it the PRO or called you as what?
What are you saying? It's just a harmless call from a man of God.
What nonsense is this call? Oh, a new priest. And he has already collected your number. Calling your phone at this time, at this ungodly time. Huh? How many times have I warned you that I will not be condoning such calls? How many times?
Why are you being so unnecessarily dramatic this morning?
Huh? I'm being what? How many times would you keep defiling my orders? How many times? Is this the only language you understand? Keep punishing you. This is the only language you understand. I'll kill you! Stop getting me mad!
I love you very much that it chokes me. How am I going to survive a year without seeing you?
You don't need to stay away for a year now. You can always come back after camping before going for the main service.
I know. Sokoto is such a far place. I don't even know how safe it is.
Honestly, that is what scares me. Because I don't know how I'm going to survive if anything happens to you.
Nothing will happen to me. No, I'm a strong man. I would have sought for a deployment if I had the money, but I don't. But you know what? I'll be talking to you every day. I'll be talking every day. Yeah?
Just that I'll miss you so much.
I'll miss you very much too.
I've started missing you already.
The missing is even hurting me now.
Enough is enough.
Where is that stupid man? Come out, Ndubisi! Come out and fetch me! Come out and fetch me! You are not ashamed of yourself! You are hitting a woman! Come out and fetch me! Where are you hiding? Come out and fetch me!
He has left.
How long has this been going on? I had my suspicion, but I wasn't sure. How long has this been going on? You must talk to me. How long has this been happening?
Please, just leave. He'll soon be back.
I am not going anywhere. Let him come back and face me. Let that idiot come back and face me. I'm not going anywhere. And you must answer me. How long has this been going on, Didi?
Just go.
If
he comes back and sees you here, I am in trouble.
I am not going anywhere until he comes back.
Get out!
Get out! Just get out! What do you want from me?
No, I'm asking you! What do you want? He was there for me. He was there for me when you left me. When you abandoned me for some girl during your youth service. Do you know how many sleepless nights I had when you stopped calling? When your phone was practically unreachable. Do you know what I went through? Do you know? I needed a friend. And he was there for me. And he is still here for me.
Why are you telling me all this?
Because I don't want you to mess me up a second time. It is my body. Not yours, Chukunonso. Not yours. Now get out of here. Get out! Because if he comes back and meets you here, believe me, I will never forgive you. Not in this life and not in the next one. Out!
Who are you talking to? Huh? I heard your voice from afar. Look, Obim, I'm sorry. I can explain. I'm truly sorry. Just let me explain. I know you're angry. Jesus! Ndidi, what are you doing? What are you... Ndidi! Where are you going with the knife? Ndidi!
You have hit me 31 times. The records are back.
Why, oh why do you keep doing this to me? Why, oh why do you keep doing this to me? You know, I don't deserve this kind of thing from you. I am lost. I am confused right now. I need someone to lean on. I need someone to talk to. I need someone by my side. This is my story, oh baby. I don't know how to lie to you, 'cause you nearly took my life. You nearly took my life. I don't know how to lie to you, 'cause you nearly took my life. You nearly took my life.
What are you marking?
The remaining days you have before you leave.
So, you've marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yes, you just have 10 days. 10 days to spend with me before you finally leave.
Did you know I can actually defer this service and go next year?
No, please. I want you to go. I need you to see the world. You need to start making money so that our future will be brighter. Okay? I have also made arrangements to start learning hairdressing. The woman asked me to pay 23,000 now.
23,000? Isn't that on the high side?
Not really, considering what I will learn.
Didi, you know if I had the money, I would give you.
Of course. That is why I want you to save, so that you can start making money to take care of me.
Love carry mama. My heart is longing for you.
Which Abana? Oh. I said, which Abana?
In the bush.
Mimi. Go and get red oil. What did you go?
Ask him. I want to shit.
You went to shit? Since when did you start going into the bush to shit?
Rub the oil now. Rub the oil now.
I'm rubbing on. You see this one? Your story is not clear. Let me.
Let me go rub the oil. Put up the my phone. Come beside now.
Say your story is not clear. You're lying, no. What did you go to do in the bush?
I'm trapped. Love will carry my my heart is longing for you. Hear me out. My heart is longing for you.
I'm ashamed of myself. I don't even know how to tell you I'm sorry. I know I promised to never hit you again. I don't know what made me do it. I don't know what came over me. I'm sorry. Honestly, from the depth of my heart, I'm sorry. I don't know why I did it. Please. Obi, please say something.
My mother's checkup is due. And I need money for it. Can you give me the money?
I'm alive, but like a dead without you.
Obi, Ndidi.
I'm alive, but like a dead without you. Please come back to me. My love is genuine. Come back to me. Please come back to me. My love is genuine. Come back to me.
What were you doing in the bush?
You asking me what I was doing in the bush? It's thunder that will fire you. Yeah. If I stand up from here,
Wait, let me ask you. Which bush is that? I want to go and check your group so that I can be convinced.
Mama, you are here. She says she want to go and see him. No, she want to go and see my poo.
Sit down.
See my daughter. Come. Have you seen my daughter's body? See what your useless son did to her. After raping her, he put her body on her body. If that is how he rapes other people's daughter and goes away, he will not do it to my own child. You people will hear from me.
Biko, wait to Obi. Biko, wait to... Please! Hey!
I said it. I thought as much.
That boy will bring my leg outside in this village. Hey!
They sent you to poison my food. They sent you to kill your mother. They sent you to kill your mother. Satan has possessed you. You are a blatant lie. Did you think I did not see poison my food? I was warned in the dream that you will poison me. And this is what you have just done. Get out of my house! You evil child! Get out! Get out!
Ndidi, thank God you are here. Look at her.
She poisoned this food. She poisoned my food. Obegeli wants to kill me. She wants to kill me.
Obegeli cannot kill you. You know.
Ha!
It's okay. Eh? Which one? She poisoned it. Let me tell you.
No! Hey! Why have you chosen to die? Why have you chosen to die? Did I scared you?
Calm down. Let me go and see her.
No, baby, you have got to kill me. You have got to kill me. Oh my God.
The check was long overdue, so she got worse.
I couldn't get the money on time. I was having problems with him, so he didn't give the money on time.
He still hits you, right? Sister, you need to leave before it is too late.
I can't. For now, I can't. He takes care of Mama's bills. It is the money he gives me that I use to take care of this family. If I leave him, how will you and Mama survive? Have you thought about it? How will you people survive? Eh? I was saving up money to start up my own hairdressing business, but Mama's trouble took everything. So for now, I have to endure. I have to stay with him. I just want you and Mama to be okay. That's all.
It's alright, sister. Everything is going to be fine.
Been like this since you came back. Is everything alright?
I'm fine.
No, you're not. Baby, why do you treat me like a stranger in your life? Why? You keep things to yourself instead of discussing them with me. I am your girlfriend, but I don't feel like one. You are obviously distracted by another girl.
See, baby, I think you should go back to your house and come back here when it is necessary.
What? I should go back to my house? And so, you are the one that asked me to move in.
I know, baby. Please, I just need you to go back. I need time. I need time to think like a man. Please.
I see. So my presence makes you less of a man.
Baby, please understand.
Understand what? Understand what? Wait. Are you indirectly breaking up with me?
Stop, Adora. I'm not breaking up with you. You know I love you too much to do that. Please, I need you to understand. I have lots on my head that I just want to be alone, please.
Are you not my mother? Are you not my
Leave
mother?
this house. Leave my house. I don't want to see you anywhere around this place. After all your mates are living all alone, taking care of themselves, and even fending for their families. And you are here, giving me trouble. Leave my house. Take your things and go.
Okay, if I go now, where do you want me to go?
I don't care where you go. I don't want to know where you are going to. Leave my house. After all these rich men in Nigeria, they were once living under the bridge or even in the bush. And they made it. Leave my house. Take your things and you are still there. Hey!
Hey!
Take your things and leave. Go! Hey! Come back here.
Come back.
Carry them. Pick everything and leave my house. Enough is enough. Take your things and leave. Are you still looking at me? You want me to shoot you? Hey! Out! I said leave my house! Go! Get out!
You beg her now. Beg her now. Where do you want me to go?
Mama, this is not fair. It's not fair. Where do you want him to go and stay? Besides, this compound belongs to him.
You want to follow him? No, you want to join him. Yara, I will die because I have children. I have 2 children, two only, and they want to kill me. Others are taking care of their mothers. You want me to die for you? Never. I, Obioma, will not take it anymore. Enough is enough.
Why are you sitting here? Is everything alright?
I had issues with my mom and she ejected me from the house.
How? For what reason?
She said I should go and hustle like my friends.
Hey, that is not fair. What are you going to do now?
I don't know.
Have you talked to Ebuka?
No. No, but it's no need. I'm sure he will never accept, so no need talking to him.
Okay, I can talk to him on your behalf. Okay?
Okay, but that would be a waste of time.
Just leave it for me.
My friends always see me as a burden because I don't have something doing right now, so
Ebuka is my fiancé. I know how to talk to him. Have you eaten? Come on, let's go. Let's go to Ebuka's house. I want to cook for you. Let's go. Stand up. Stand up. I know how to talk to him. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, I just gave Mama her medications. Everything will be okay. Nothing to worry much about, okay? What she needs is love, care, and her medications. I'll be coming often to take care of her. I will come in the next 1 month to see her. Just if anything comes up before 1 month, just alert me, okay? It's all well. Just calm down. Don't cry much, okay?
Thank you.
It's well. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
It's okay.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you very much. I'll be on my way there. Do not cry. Don't stress yourself too much, okay? Take care.
Thank you.
Can I get you more food? If this one is not enough for you.
Chimeze.
Oh, baby.
Chimeze. What are you doing here in my absence?
Oh, baby.
Mommy, what's going on? What's he doing in our house? In my absence? Don't you know that's Chimeze? He can never be trusted with women.
Baby, what are you trying to say? Are you saying you don't trust me or what?
Not that now. You know, not that.
What do you want him to do? To die roaming the streets?
When did you start caring about this guy?
Because he's your friend. And your friends are my friends. You guys want to stick to each other. You told me about your slogan. One for all for one. So if you can't accommodate your friend when he's stranded, then that slogan is hypocritical.
What a friend for?
Baby.
If he can't watch my back, what a friend for?
Please, I'm begging you.
Why are we friends if he can't watch my back for me? Yeah.
I'm sorry I didn't inform you. Yeah. I knew you were never going to agree with it.
Chimeze, for you to stay in this house, you must adhere to the rules. And there are three. Three very important rules. Number one, you must start looking for a job. No now. You got a job now. You will look for a job. Number two, you must change your ways. You have to, so that your mom can accept you back. You will not stay here forever. Number three, very, very important. Chimeze, number three is very, very important. You must not bring any woman to this house. You are not bringing any woman to this house. Are you ready to accept these rules or not?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
God bless you.
God bless you too.
So you people have not filled this drum since morning. And you're here doing what I don't know.
Meg, are you human at all? Can't you see he has this location? Instead of you to come and check what is wrong with him, you are there talking rubbish. Eh?
Gabriel, what did you say now? Me! Neka talking rubbish! Gabriel! Me! Neka talking rubbish! I will kill you in this house! I told you I will kill you and bury you in this house!
Chimex now stays with me.
What? Yeah. What happened to his own house?
He was ejected by the mother.
Wait. Your girlfriend still stays with you, right?
Yes.
I see. So now Chimezie will move in with you too, while your girlfriend lives with you. This will not end well. It will not end well.
If it's that one, I trust my fiance. My problem is Chimex. Chimex, I'm afraid of him being a liability. Yes, and I've told him he needs to start looking for a job.
Can I ask you something?
Go on.
Do you hit your fiancé?
Do you
beat your fiancé?
God forbid. Why? Why would I lay my hands on her? No.
No matter what she does, you don't hit her.
I love her too much to lay my hands on her.
Exactly what I told him.
Told who?
My friend. No, I mean my cousin. My cousin from my father's side. Okay? Yeah. I mean, he beats his woman. He said she's cheating on him.
Why? I mean, why would he beat a woman? He should just send her home instead of beating her.
Exactly what I told him.
You really hurt me. You really hurt me deeply.
Andy, I am so sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you.
So tell me, what happened in Sokoto? You stopped calling. And you stopped picking my calls. Even when you managed to pick.
Hello? Hello? Who is this? Please, can I talk to Nonso?
Each time I called you, a woman usually picks the call. And when I demand to speak with you, she hangs up. In fact, the last time I called, she warned me never to call that line again. Do you know how that made me feel? Do you? I was heartbroken. I nearly took my own life.
How long would you keep doing this to yourself? Why do you keep doing this to yourself? Look, Nonso must have found other beautiful girls and will never place value on you again. Yes. You can't keep doing this to yourself. You don't deserve this. Look, I might not be rich, but I'll work so hard every day to put a smile on your face. I'll take care of you and even take care of your family. Yes, I'll do it. Because you deserve better. Okay?
That is it. I needed a shoulder to lean on. I needed someone to talk to. I needed someone by my side. My mother fell ill. And my sister needed to write her WAEC. I was lost. I needed help. And he came at the right time. That was how we started dating. So tell me, what is your own story?
I lost my phone barely 2 months after I went for my service. I was not able to get another phone because I couldn't save enough money. That same girl kept picking my call each time I called. I got tired of calling. I decided to surprise you when I was able to save enough money.
Hey, Sinonso! Compa, compa!
My man!
You see, compa! Hey!
So you are still meandering around looking for who to kill in this
Leave that one.
bad boy.
But you have grown so lean, no? You can't dark
know.
finish.
I know, Sokoto, the sun there is so too much. Come, tell me. Come first, tell me. Since I left for Sokoto, how many girls have you impregnated in this way? How many?
Well, the thing is that I cannot count them.
Hi.
But it is only 2 that have been bold to come and tell me to my face. I would have added your girlfriend if not that the NDBC has taken her whole say.
What are you talking about?
You are not aware?
No. I just came back. I actually came back to see her. I was just giving a few days off and probably leave tomorrow.
Then I think you should rush to NDBC house now. I'm sure NDBC is on top of her. You know how she screams. That's what is happening now. Run now! I'm just screaming.
Please come back to me. My love is genuine. Come back to me. Please come back to me. My love is genuine. Come back to me. is longing for you. Please hear me out. Onye nke heart is longing for you. Hear me out. Keep up the heart is longing for you. Hear me out. Love carry my boy. I'm trapped. Love will carry my boy. My heart is longing for you. Hear me out. My heart is longing for you. Hear me out.
Excuse me. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
You don't look okay. Anyways, I've never seen you around here. Are you new?
Not really. I stay here, but I'm serving in Sokoto. I just came back to surprise my girlfriend and saw how it's another man.
You must really love her very much to have taken that kind of risk.
Yeah.
Well, I came to visit my grandmother, but I think I like it here. Have you eaten something?
Not really, but I'm not hungry.
You should be hungry after a long journey. Okay, are you staying over today?
Obviously. Maybe I'll be leaving tomorrow.
Okay, I'll make you something to eat. And maybe get you drunk later at night so you forget about your sorrows. Shit happens. How about that? Anyways, Adora. Your name?
Well, so.
How is it to you, not so?
So, Didi, I did not hurt you. But you did.
I am so sorry. I thought you left me. I thought you left me for some other girl over there.
Didi, no, it's not possible. I couldn't have left you for any other girl.
My God.
See, Didi, you are in a toxic relationship. You should quit before it's too late. Adora, this is...
I know her. The girl that broke your heart. Without that heartbreak, I wouldn't have met you. I have always looked forward to the day I would thank you for bringing us together. Thank you so much, Ndidi. You see my man here? He is a wonderful man, sent from above. I love him so much, and I don't joke with him. Same way I heard a man doesn't joke with you. I love you, baby. Excuse me. I actually forgot my ATM card. Nice meeting you, Didi. I love you.
I should go, man.
I'm trapped. Love will carry my My heart is longing for you. Hear me out.
Looks like he has really changed.
There is always a good side of everyone. It's not as bad as you guys paint him. Do you know, he was even the one that cooked last night.
You are joking.
He cooked before you came back.
That was a good meal.
He has been searching for a job. Baby, you don't have any sense, boy. Why don't you try him? He could be going to the shop with you till he finds something better.
Mommy, that won't be possible. I need to observe him. I need to observe him before I can bring him into my business. And besides, I've been discussing with you. You know that business not been moving so well. I can't afford to, bring him into the business after the month. I won't be able to pay him. But we have talked about it.
I am glad you listened to me and took it in. I'm so happy for that. Thank you so much.
Well, he has you to thank for that, not me, because you have touched me and I have no choice than to agree.
That's why you saved him.
How we do?
How is your mother?
She will leave.
And your sister?
Fine.
I'm ready to see them now. Didi, there is something I've not told you. Something that relates to the way I treat you. I killed my mother when I was 10.
Isigini, what did you just say? How? How?
My father was a good man. Unfortunately, he married a horrible woman. My mother abused my father. I watched my mother beat up my father every day of my life. She will always try to strangle him.
you and bury you in this house. I'll kill you. I'll kill you. Idiot. Come on, Aga. Ewu. Come back here. Come back here. Ewu.
You are a bad wife.
What did you say?
I didn't say anything.
You did not say anything. What did I hear you now? What did you say? What did you say now? You did not say anything. You did not say anything. You come to here. Gabriel, oh, stupid man. Gabriel. Stupid man. How many times have I warned you to stop interfering in my matters? How many times, Gabriel? How many times?
Neka, please. So, what I want to know now is, who was that man you were discussing with? Who was him? So you mean you are still sleeping around with that idiot? Neka, married woman like you, Neka.
Married woman kill you there. Married woman scatter you. By the time I'm done with you, you will see something. Married woman. Gabriel, touch me. Touch me,
My mother got worse. And on that fateful day,
So you people have not filled this drum since morning. And you're here doing what I don't know.
Neka, are you human at all? Can't you see he has dislocation? Instead of you to come and check what is wrong with him, you are there talking rubbish.
Gabriel, what did you say now? Me! Neka talking rubbish! Gabriel! Me! Neka talking rubbish! I will kill you in this house! I told you I will kill you and bury you in this house! Me, Neka talking rubbish!
Nega! Ndubisi. Now sit down. Sit. Now listen to me. You did not kill her. I killed her. This is what you will say when the police comes. I want you to be a strong man. Be a strong man. Do not allow any woman to intimidate you or insult you. You have to be in charge. Be the man. I mean, I had an opportunity to hit your mother, but I did not. If I should respond anytime she hits me, she wouldn't have keep marrying me up to this day. Now listen. It is not good to hit a woman. It is equally an abomination not to hit a stubborn woman like your mother. What I mean, you understand when you grow up.
Why didn't you tell me this?
was waiting for the right time. It has been hurting me. I've been having nightmares, seeing my mother in my dreams. And each time you shout at me or get stubborn, I would have an ugly flashback of how my mother used to intimidate my father. And that makes me to hate you. But I've resorted to prayers. I believe God will help me, because I don't want to lose you. I love you so much.
What is that possesses you? Guinea barra, guinea man. What is that took over you? Guinea barra, guinea man. Don't be confused. It's your body gonna get. Don't be confused.
You have the guts to step your feet into this compound after everything you've been doing to my sister. For your information, she is stuck to you because of her situation. If not, what will my sweet sister be doing with the monster and the beast like you?
How dare you!
Hey!
How dare you talk?
How dare you!
Are you mad?
Stop it! Stop it! What?
How dare you feel? Let me take this girl. How dare you? How dare you touch me?
Hey! Children! What? Hey! Yeah! Stop it! What?
How dare you touch me? How can your sister lay her hands on me?
Hey!
You want to cut?
What's that guy in my way?
What is wrong with you?
Get out of my way!
Stop it!
What?
I'm going to kill this monster!
Come!
Sister, leave me alone!
Stop it! What is the problem?
Sister, leave me!
Problem? Leave me for what? What is the problem? No.
Sister, leave me alone!
Just say what.
Listen, this is not the end. No woman intimidates me and gets away with it. I will teach you a lesson you will not forget.
You are unrepentant fool!
What is your problem? What have you done? Eh? What did you just do?
Sister, he can hit you, but he dares not lay his filthy hands on me. I'm not done with him. This is not the end. I've been looking for an opportunity to pay him back for all the pains he has inflicted on you. This is my opportunity. So please, step out of my way.
What? Hey, come back! Abegadi, come back!
Sister, leave me alone! Leave me alone! Step aside and get out of here! Get out of here! Sister, leave me! Leave me alone! Leave me! I'm going to kill that beast!
It's okay.
I'm going to kill that beast! I'm going to kill it!
Just calm down. Listen to me first. Listen to me. I know you're angry. And I have told you, always control your anger. Control your anger. Control it. Eh? Listen, if you go out there and confront him, either two things will happen. It's either he kills you or you kill him. And you and I know that the first one is going to happen. Now, have you thought of what will happen if he kills you? Have you thought of your mother? Have you thought of how we're going to survive? Have you thought of it? And then if you kill him, how are we going to survive? Or you think you will walk around this village free? Of course you're going to jail. How are we going to cope? How will your mother cope? Think of it. Think of it and control your anger. Just calm down. Okay? Everything will be fine. Give it to me. It's okay.
Sister, it's me.
I know, but it's fine.
It's so hard.
It's fine. Just calm down. It's
conscience. Where is your dignity? Are you sure you were woman? Where is your conscience? What is that possesses you? Guinea baragini me. What is that took over you? Guinea baragini me. Don't be confused. It's your body gonna get. Don't be confused. I'm waiting, you know, be calling them all. I'm waiting, you know, be Puputeo, and you look at God. I'm waiting, you know, be calling them all. And you look at God. I'm waiting, you know, be calling them all. I'm waiting, you know, be calling them all. See me out. Na yebu bofu. Awa ifedi na bi kalima. Na yebu bofu.
If I had a flower for every moment I thought about you, I could walk in my garden forever. I love you not only for who you are, but what I am whenever I am with you. If you live to be 100, I want to live to be 100 minus 1 day, so I never have to live without you. I hope you know that every time I tell you to get home safe, stay warm, have a good day, or sleep well, what I am really saying is I love you. I love you so damn much that it is starting to steal other words' meanings. Everyone sings a song, incompetent, until another heart whispers back. Those who wish to sing always find a song. At the touch of a lover, everyone becomes a poet. We come to love not by finding a perfect person, but by learning to see an imperfect person perfectly. Love is a bit of a gamble, but you can improve your art if you can find and understand their imperfections. Being happy doesn't mean that everything is perfect. It means you have decided to look beyond imperfections. I am not perfect, but I will love you in a perfect way. Ndidi, please be my wife.
I'm trapped. Love will carry my wounds. My heart is longing for you. Hear me out. My heart is longing for you. Hear me out. My heart is longing for you. Please hear me out. My heart is longing for you. Hear me out. My heart is longing for you. Hear me out.
I'm very sorry. I think I'm possessed. I don't know what came over me. Immediately I saw you, I lost control. I couldn't even control myself. Please, forgive me, I beg you. I beg you in the name of God, please.
Messi, you did this to me. After all I did for you. You raped me. Your friend's fiancé. Can your friends were right. You're cursed. You can never change. You raped me, Chimezie.
Mommy, what happened? What did you do to her? Mommy, what happened now?
My menstrual cramp.
Hey. But you saw it last week. Now how come it's coming again?
I don't know. It happens like this sometimes.
Hey, sorry, eh?
I think I need drugs.
Okay. Hey, okay. I will have to rush now. Let me hurry and get you drugs, eh? And that's the drink that you normally take when it's happening like this, eh? Sorry, I'll be back. Sorry. I'll be right back now. You are crying too much now. Don't speak this, yeah? I'll be right back.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
I may not tell him, but I will never forgive you. I will never forgive you, Chimezie.
Okay, I'm sorry, but I know I've wronged you, but if it is very difficult for me to forgive you, I can go now. Yeah? I can just leave.
No, I don't know. You raped me. I didn't even feel like I felt. Just leave me alone. Chimezie, leave me alone. Go your way.
Yeah. James, he raped me and didn't feel. Yeah.
You can't marry him. He is a beast and he will never change. God has been giving you signs to quit, yet you are still stuck with him for obvious reasons. Sister, I suggest you play along for our sake. But once you get a job, or I do, then you have to dump him. That man is not your man. Sister, be wise.
I've not given him an answer yet. I told him I would think about it. But honestly, my heart still beats for him.
For who?
Nonso.
Now you come. Nonso is a better man compared to that fool that calls himself Ndubisi. Sister, do you know he has been buying things for us? Though he told me not to tell you.
What?
Yes. He comes here every 3 days to visit Mama. And he has never failed.
Wow. There's just one problem.
What?
Baby.
Oh, baby. How did the... Hope you bought everything you wanted.
Yes. 1 minute. Alright, I know this is crazy, but I have to do it.
Are you breaking up with me?
Just shut up! Don't say a word, else you will ruin it. I've been practicing this for ages.
Okay.
Okay. Baby, I have been waiting for you to propose to me for ages. But you've been distracted by the other girl. I can't do this anymore.
You're definitely breaking up with me.
Just keep quiet! Stop talking! You're messing with it.
Sorry.
Okay. Baby, anytime I think of forever, you are the only picture that I see. My heart does a flip every time I see you. You have managed to break the shield I put up to guard my heart. I am your prisoner, baby. You are my hero. You are the one that holds the key to my heart. You are my special man. You captivate me.
Are you gonna propose to me?
Oh! You finally ruined it! You're so horrible! I hate you!
You stole my woman! You were supposed to be my friend! You were supposed to protect my interest! You were supposed to protect her when I was not around! Don't do that. You deceived her! You lied to her! You took advantage of her because she needed help! Did you ever tell her I sent you letters to give her when I couldn't reach her? Did you tell her?
Step back from me! Are you mad? Yes! I stole your woman. Because you're not a man. I am a better man than you are. What did you do? You left her and went for service. When you got there, you got carried away by so many women. You were chasing different girls while she was here. Crying day and night for your sake. I saved her. So you should be thanking me, not spiting me. What can you do? Are you a man? Are you a better man? What do you even do for a living? Do you have money? Can you take care of herself and her family?
A better man that hits his woman. A real man doesn't. Step back from me. You hit her.
Step back from me.
You are not a real man.
I said, step back from her!
I'll get it back. No, stop. I'll get it back. Look at this idiot! Because I've been keeping quiet! Come now! Hey! Don't leave him!
Why don't you leave me? You want to die? No! Let me kill this man! He's not supposed to be alive!
This is idiot! Okay. Look at this woman, Peter! Come here, I will finish you today because I've been keeping quiet. You don't know how long I've been keeping quiet.
You're dead.
Leave him out here. You're dead. You're an idiot. What? You're an idiot.
Why are you stopping me?
Idiot. Because I've been keeping quiet.
You're not a man.
You are stupid. Look at
just fight me and I'll kill you.
What kind of stupid a man hits the woman? Woman that are idiot. So, that's not finished. I'll still come back.
Where are you going to?
I'll come back.
Stay and fight me like a man.
Run from this village.
You're not a man.
You will run from this
village. Fucking weakly.
You will run from this village. You are hitting a woman. You are not ashamed of yourself. You are hitting a woman.
I will kill
Come and hit your own fellow man now.
I will kill you.
You kill who?
I will kill you.
You will die.
I will buy your coffin.
Die.
I will bury you.
You will die.
I will drink on top of your grave.
Go and kill her now.
You're not a man. Come and fight me like a man. Let me here. Let me here.
I'm just leaving you for one thing.
Anyway, when he had you, why are you seeking him?
Why is he alive?
Do you want to break his head
There
with
are
this?
some people that are best dead. He's one of them.
Chidinma, I'm very, very sorry. I want to apologize from the depth of my heart. Please forgive me. What I did to you was evil. I keep asking God to forgive me, and I hope He forgives me. But please, from the depth of your heart, I beg you, forgive me. Please.
It's okay. It's okay. I forgive you.
Huh?
I forgive you. Come here.
Huh?
Come.
No, please, I can't. I won't do it again. No. This is wickedness. I can't keep being very, very wicked to my friend. No.
Chimizi, I can't stop thinking about you since that day. You made me climax multiple times. Even though it was not planned. I enjoyed every bit of it. I want you in my life. Chimizi, I need more of you in my life.
No. The thing is, no. My conscience won't let me. This is being wicked to my friend. Please. I've been asking God to forgive me, and I hope He forgives me for the one I've done. I can't keep doing this. Please. Please. No.
If you cannot do it with me, I'm going to tell Ebuka that you raped me.
Really? Then I will have to tell him myself.
No, you don't have to tell him. Ebuka can never trust me again. Please.
I don't think you are much of a trustworthy person either.
I miss us. I miss the bond we used to have. We used to be inseparable. What happened to us? What happened to the bond? Ndubisi, you know he's right. You took his woman. And he has been very quiet for a long time. I've been here for a while. I haven't even seen her. Where is she?
She has a house, remember? She has gone to see her people. I proposed to her.
Wow. That's so sweet.
I know. She said I should give her some time.
You know, you two are really meant for each other.
Her phone is switched off. Maybe her battery is dead. Yeah. So get ready because we are going to, you know.
Please, where is Ndidi? She needs to come home now. Mama is acting up.
What? How? She left here to your place yesterday, and I believe she was supposed to sleep over. I was expecting her this morning.
Yes, she came back, but she left around 6 p.m. and she said she was coming here.
No, she didn't come back here. She has not returned. As a matter of fact, I've been expecting her.
We need to Let's go and find her because I can't see her anywhere.
Can we go and see your mother?
Let's go.
Please, come. Did she tell anybody where she was going?
Just tell me the other guy you were involved in with a fight is dead. Because nobody hits my baby.
I didn't want to kill him. I just wanted to teach him a lesson, that's all.
Did he learn any?
I still have plans. By the time I'm done with him, by the time I'm done unleashing my plan, he must learn.
Would you want to fill me in with your plan?
Maybe not.
I trust you. Deal with him. Maybe I should boil hot water.
Just give me something to eat.
Okay.
Why the vote na okay? Okay, onye cancel. Onye bụ ntakịrị bread. Jezebel. You have come again. Let me tell you, I did not kill my mother. And you will not kill me, oh, you will not kill me. A child that I carried 9 months in this my womb. She will not kill me. Oh, watch you. Oh, watch you. Look at black bitches all over her head. Black bitches. You will not kill me. Oh.
Is this the sickness you said she was suffering?
Yes.
Isn't this madness? What do you normally do when she behaves like this?
We called the doctor.
Have you called the doctor?
Yes, I have called him.
That doctor will kill you. Is that you and that doctor will die together? You cannot kill me. I beg you, you will not kill me. Oh, you will not kill me.
I don't get it. If you could call the doctor, why are you looking for Ndidi?
Because the treatment comes with cash.
Oh. How much?
6,000 naira.
This is 5,000. Okay? Take care of her. I have to go and look for Ndidi. Take it.
Look at them. Mad people.
Chimezi, I am still begging you to reconsider telling Ibuka what transpired between us. It will be disastrous. Listen, I am ready to forget about everything, including my lust for you. If you can do the same.
Sit down.
Listen.
The pastor told me something. He said if I truly want God to forgive me of my sins, I must confess. And if I don't do this, my conscience will keep disturbing me. My conscience will keep judging me. I have no other choice than to confess. I'm sorry I have to do this. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I don't understand. If she's not in her place, and not in my place, where then could she be? I'll be right back.
Yeah, Ndubisi.
I'm coming.
Where are you going to now? Ndubisi.
No, don't tell me nonsense. Monster, come out of here. Where's that fool? Where are you hiding now? Where is she?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about?
Yes.
Where is Didi?
The last time I checked, Ndidi is your girlfriend and not mine. I have a girlfriend I love very much.
You want to play this game with me? Right? We shall see. We shall see.
Get out! You're an idiot!
You fear my wrongs.
You're an idiot.
Nonso.
Thunder.
Nonso.
Look at this guy. You came to my house and making noise.
Nonso.
Get out!
Nonso.
What?
Can we be serious? Do you have hands in her disappearance? Be serious now. Let's sort this thing out.
I can't believe you are asking me this stupid question.
Hold on, baby. Is kidnapping your ex-girlfriend part of the bigger plan you were contemplating on filling me in with? Oh, my. No, you're not.
He knows what happened to her. He knows. I know him too well. He's a snake. And I'm going to kill him. I will make sure he's dead.
Are we not supposed to be making police reports?
For what? Huh? Which police report? When you and I know the actual person that kidnapped her. Don't worry. I will handle this my way. What is it?
Mommy, what is it?
Who is after you?
Chimezie.
Chimezie.
What happened?
He was sitting there and he slumped.
Hey! Now, let's take him to the hospital now.
It's cold. No pulse. It's dead.
Hey! No!
Hey!
He wanted to be a good person. Oh my God, why?
Hey!
Chimezie, wake up! Wake up! Chimezie, wake up!
God.
Wake up! Chimezie, wake up! Wake up! Chimezie.
God.
What is going on? Why is the number switched off? God, please. I don't want anything to happen to my only sister. God. She is my only sister, please. We have suffered enough. And she has suffered enough. Don't do this to us, I beg you. I beg you, please.
Listen, if you are coming here to come and beg on his behalf, you're coming to waste your time because I will not listen to you.
Is he not your friend? So why won't you people advise him to stop living such a reckless and useless life? Eh? And you want to beg me? No,
I won't listen to you.
Mama, we bring bad news.
What bad news?
What happened to my son? What happened to my son? What happened to my son? Tell me what happened to my son? My only son, who did this to me? Who did this to me? My only son. Chimeze wabo. Hey! Okasijeno. Hey, Okasijeno. Hey, Belumo.
Abe muna carry am down, make I go work. I never try.
Hey! What happened to my son? Why did people allow him die and leave me? Why? Ebuka, why? Ebuka!
Mirabel, where are you going to?
I'm leaving you, Mama. I pleaded with you to forgive Chimezi and bring him back, but you refused. You have killed him. You felt being unnecessarily strict to your kids could bring out the best in them. See where all this have ended us. Papa was too strict. You decided to follow his path. Now look at us. I wish you had the one dead.
Mirabel.
Mira!
What have I done?
Chimezi was a happy guy. Good guy. Chimezi had human sympathy. I remember the day
I wanted to. Okay, beg you. Give me like 5,000. I need money seriously now to sort one or two things. Don't worry. By next week, I will have money. I will give you back, please.
Chimezi.
Chimezi.
Actually, you got it. From where do you want to get the 5,000 now? Why are you looking at me like this? You are not working now. So where are you supposed to get the 5,000 from? Another thing, Joe.
Borrow me now, let me use it and Biko.
If I borrow you, where are you going to? You are not working. Where are you going to get the money now to pay me back? You are telling me you will pay me back. Next week you pay me back. From where now?
Wait. This is wallet.
More than 20,000. 20,000. More than 20,000.
One day, God has answered your prayer now.
Which prayer?
Chinekasala get better now.
Anna, no, this is somebody's wallet, and I'm sure the owner will be going up and down looking.
You shut up your mouth. What are you talking about? See, it's people that have excess money that lose money now. Now let us move away from here before somebody will come. Oh, come on now.
My conscience will not allow. Bros. Are you looking for something?
Yes, my wallet and my ID card is inside here, sir.
Yeah. What color?
Black. Okay, we didn't see it.
Black.
Yes.
Black.
Yes, sir.
And your ID card is inside.
Yes, sir.
What's the name of what's the name in your ID card?
My name, sir.
What's your name now?
Chimezi.
Is it this one?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir.
That guy is very wicked. They didn't even give us anything. This is a small thing. Huh? You're very wicked. Stupid.
That very day, Chimeze won my heart. I can't believe we are here, mourning Chimeze. I can't believe Chimeze is dead.
Mukana. Mukana.
I remember what he told me when I nearly went into depression because of some guy that stole my girlfriend. He told me she would come back to me if she truly loved me. Might not be now, it could be later, in a way that would shock him. That is what he told me.
And that's why you killed her.
Who killed her?
You are an idiot.
That was why you kidnapped her. I swear I'll kill you. I'll kill you.
Idiot.
I'll kill you. I'll make you suffer. I'll make you suffer. You are an idiot.
Some people are managing Messi. We're managing Messi. What is it? We're managing Messi.
My sister is missing. She is missing.
See your baby. Tell me. The last time she was here, where did she say she was going? Where did she make sure she was going?
What is it? Eh? Why are you shouting like this?
Go, please go. Just go. Go.
I'm not going anywhere. Just tell me what the problem is. Why are you shouting?
Are you disobeying me? Huh? You're just like my mother. Stubborn and bossy. Always wanting to have things your way. Huh? If not that I was hitting you, you would have killed me by now. Isn't it?
Why are you talking like this? Are you okay?
Am I okay?
Because I don't understand you.
You said what?
No!
Huh?
Stop!
Don't want you to let me go! Go away!
Where is that stupid?
The body right here.
I know her very well. She doesn't keep late nights. If she had said she was going to see Ndubisi, which means she was actually there. And it invariably means Ndubisi knows where she is.
I hate him with my life. I have always hated him. Also, you needed to see the expression on his face when he noticed Mama was not very sane. He humiliated my sister. Now, we don't even know her whereabouts.
He knows where she is. See, I need to be solved. Just take care of it. Yeah.
She loves you. She has always loved you. That was the last thing she told me. She said the only problem was your girlfriend.
I'm trapped. Love will carry my boy. I'm trapped. Love will carry my boy. My heart is longing for you. Hear me out.
Ebuka. Is your woman around?
No. Since Chimeze died, she has gone to stay with Chimeze's mother. Ogini.
I still can't find her.
See, it's high time you reported this matter to the police. Let's go and report this matter now.
You don't understand.
What is it? Ogini.
She was with me in the room. She wasn't really missing. But now I can't find her anymore.
You're getting me confused. I don't understand. Ogini.
I killed her. Hey! Shh! Just calm down, calm down. Let me explain. Okay? Look, I was walking in the van. I found the cloth my mother wore the day she died. I lost it. Something came inside of me. I wasn't thinking straight. All of a sudden, she came and was talking to me and was ranting. I told her, I wanted her to stay away from me. I wanted her to move away from me, but she wouldn't listen. And all of a sudden, I found myself strangling her. And before I could know it, she was dead.
This is too much for me to take. Let me get it. So, you mean all this while you have been accusing Nonso of kidnapping Ndidi? She has been in your room?
Yes. Yes.
My God. This is too much for me to take. This is too much for me to take. So what happened to the body?
I don't know. I don't know. Her body was right there with me, in that room, a night before. But I got back now. The door was broken. Somebody broke into the room and stole her body. I'm suspecting Nonso. Probably Nonso stole her body.
Stop it! The issue here is, what are we going to do? What are we going to do?
What happened to them? What did you do to her? I saw her phone in your room. Where is it, Didi?
Nonso,
what happened to her?
Nonso.
What happened to her?
Nonso, come
Talk! What happened to her?
I killed her. I killed her. I don't know what came over me. I'm sorry. Okay? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I don't know what came over me.
What did she do to you?
I don't know how it happened, but I lost it. I lost control of myself and killed her.
Nonso, you killed her. Nonso, put yourself together.
Get a hold of yourself.
Put yourself
okay?
together.
You killed her. Get a hold of yourself. It's not my fault. I didn't mean to. Okay? I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. This is not a time for us to be fighting.
Guys.
Where is her body? Where did you keep her body? Where is her body?
Her body was right in that room. I left her in that room. And when I got back, somebody broke in and stole her body. Nonso, did you steal her body?
Hey! Leave me!
Nonso! Nonso!
What is wrong with you? Did you take her body?
No,
say so! I just admitted I killed her. Fine! Nonso. If you took her body, say so!
Can you?
Hey, I will kill you! Can you leave? I will kill you! You killed Ndidi and you are talking! I will kill you! God!
Please leave now.
Leave what? Huh? You better get a hold of him. Okay? We have a bigger issue at hand.
Hey! Nonso, come down.
I will kill you!
Get a hold of this mad dog. I am running away from him because I don't want to fight.
Hey! You're so mad.
I don't have your time. Leave now. I have a bigger issue at hand. Please, just leave.
Snake, how did it go?
Well, we got there.
Good job. Good job, you did there. My first daughter was raped and killed. And I swore never to allow anyone that rapes any of my daughters to live to see the light of the day.
I got you back.
You did very well there. I'll give you your balance. We never met. That's your balance. We never met? I don't know you. You don't know me. Hold on. It's complete.
Mama. Mama, you need to eat something. You have not eaten since he died. Mama, please. If you don't eat, you will die. I don't want anything to happen to you. Mama, eat. Mama. Mama. What do I do now? I am tired. I don't want this woman to die. I think I'm going to look for her daughter. Oh, but where can I find her?
Hello, baby. I think it's high time we saw the boys before they do something stupid.
You think so?
Yeah. Come on, let's start going. Come on, let's go.
UWC, you need to think. Who visits you here more often? Guys, what if she broke out herself? What if she's not dead?
She's dead. I felt her pulse. She's dead. If she was still alive, she would have come to see you, Nonso. I'm sure she would have come to visit you.
Hello, boys.
Before you do something stupid, somebody wants to say hi to you.
Hold on. Who?
Yes. Somebody wants to say hi.
Who?
No. It's not possible.
Did it?
Can't be possible.
want to give me high blood pressure? What are you doing here? My boyfriend is not around.
My boyfriend tried to kill me. I need to go into hiding. Please, just hide me because you're the only person nobody will suspect.
Why would your boyfriend try to kill you?
Because he is sick and he needs help. I just want to hide from everyone until things calm down.
Okay, but on one condition.
Name it.
That you stay away from my boyfriend. I love him so much. Please. Do we have a deal?
Wow.
Dude, you tried to kill your girlfriend. You are so sick.
The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is an attribute of the strong. Didi, you're a strong woman. There is no revenge so complete as forgiveness.
The practice of forgiveness is our most important contribution to the healing of the world.
Forgiveness is not a feeling. It is a decision we take to do what is right before God. It's a quality decision that might be difficult and might take time. But please, Ndidi, find it in your heart to forgive me. Please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I forgive you. But I will let all this go on just one condition.
Say it. Anything. I'll do it, please. Say it.
That you commit yourself to a psychiatric home for treatment. You are sick. You need help. I have even searched out some for you and equally talked with the doctors. So please, just do it. Please.
I'll do it. I will commit myself. I need help. I know I do. But please, just forgive me. I'll do it. I'll do it. Please, everyone, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Why, oh why,
I'm sorry.
why do you keep doing this to me? Why, oh why do you keep doing this to me?
Yeah.
Adora.
Yeah.
I've really thought about this. It is very difficult for me, but I just have to say it.
Okay.
Adora, I don't think we can be together. I am sorry.
Wait. I don't understand. Why?
Adora, my heart belongs to another. You know it.
Who? Who?
You snitch! You gave me your word! What did you do? Both of you betrayed me! You betrayed me! Why?
Adora.
What?
Adora. I love you. I have never been loved the way you love me. I never knew we could be together. The most single extraordinary thing I've done in my life is to love you back, because I've never been seen so completely, loved so passionately, and protected so fiercely by you. Adorable. Will you marry me?
Yes! Let's go to the church before you change your mind.
Yes!